In your mago. Count some of I will judge you today. Simosa will refuse you.
Why me? Why just shouting at the boy? You know, I put your fingers there. You just you yawning.
Listen,
what problem?
I want no problem from you. Just bring your husband outside. Let me just carry easy and work on my business.
Why?
Your husband went to my house and stole my own chicken.
Now, my husband can never do it. My husband can never do it.
Just bring you outside. Bring you outside. Let me just carry and work on my business.
My husband can never see Marco. Marco. Marco.
Yeah, baby.
Causa.
You do not want to be yeah, I was dreaming, man. I was waiting to buy, man. Yeah, I stopped at the hotel. They give me ice cream. I was eating the ice cream. I was holding all my more. Hey, God, you spoil my dream.
Hey, wait. Listen to the ice cream. Hey.
What is it?
You stole my own chicken. I can't kill you. Your wife, I was defending you.
Ask the chicken. I will let my swear. Ask the chicken. Ask him what chicken.
I know you can never do it.
I just want to see chicken.
Never you will do it.
Responsible man, you tell them when you see just go say you can see more chicken. You know that. I don't want to be stealing chicken. I know that scoreboard. Don't mind.
I know you will never steal chicken.
You don't want to back you for lying on me.
Say your wife, I was defending you. I'm going back to the medicine man. To make your foot big and make your God big.
Yeah, let it go.
Hey,
Go to work.
Please come, bro.
What you calling back when you start chicken for you now? You calling? Let it go.
I don't know. You don't let me have a my camp. Mama, bro, please come here. Can I toss more, man? Can I toss more?
What are you calling me for? I'm going back to the paper. They see me and told me that you stole the chicken. And here I want
you. Wicked. He now do some bad thing and tell you. I don't want to steal the chicken.
You know, my God, embarrassment is
Sorry for the embarrassment, but I stole the chicken.
Yeah. Put him on the water and make it big more for you. You don't want to store the man chicken.
Yeah, but I gotta compare. Yeah, the people in the man talking. They say that you're conscious. They say that you know how you look at young men. Maybe my foot beef or chicken bene. Maybe my stomach beef or chicken bene. I see. I don't see that minute. I will post the secret. Then I go bring the secret. I go bring the chicken idea. You can go take the chicken. You call the chicken. You go get me chicken. Chicken feet. The yam broom. They go eat all the juicy part. The wing. The layer part. They go eat it. You just to clap.
I just have to get over stealing chicken that you're boasting.
I will not die for something I enjoy. Lava, you can't have all the way in the Western water when people steal drugs. They steal the cash and they can confess. When you see the drug, they catch you, you can confess.
Sorry, Mama. Excuse, you totally embarrassed me.
Why, please forgive me, man. I beg you, just lay your hand on me. Forgive my sin. I steal the chicken from my woman, put the chicken, she go eat all the layer parts.
in your mago.
Yeah, I'm needed. Then you are forgiving me. I want to forget Christian. You must forget people.